Hi, let's talk about mapping outcomes in an outcome quiz. So with an outcome quiz, you can now show a personalized results page based on the responses of your users. To do this, I'll first head to the outcome screen section, and this is where I can add all the possible outcomes that could show up. So let's say there are four possible outcomes that could show up depending on how they're answering the questions. So I'll just add all those outcomes here. Every outcome can have its own heading, its own description, its own media, and its own CTA button with their unique URLs. Now, once you've added all these options, I'll go back to the questions. This is where we've added all the questions already. Now, every option for the question can be mapped to the outcomes that we've created. So you see, we have this option to map the outcomes, and you can, of course, map multiple outcomes to an option. Now what happens is every time a user selects an option, the outcome which is mapped to it, let's say, gets 1 point. In the end, the system will see which outcome got the maximum number of points, and it'll show that outcome as the final outcome. And on the outcome screen, you can also specify the number of outcomes that you want to see. So if you only want to see one outcome in the end, this is where you can specify that. So that's how the mapping in outcome quizzes work. Thank you.